Hey, what's going on? Garrett here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're doing your research on the Profits Passport system. Maybe you saw a post about this on Facebook or someone messaged you their link and you're smart enough to really go to YouTube and do your due diligence. Find out, is it worth investing into the different income streams, setting all this up? Can you actually expect to get results, right? Maybe you're brand new. Well, in this video, what I'm gonna do is not only give you my honest, no BS review after being online the last 5 years, trying dozens of different things online, seeing where people fail, seeing where people succeed, but then I'm also gonna, if you do decide to go forward with this, include a private invitation-only link at the link in the description, where when you click that, you can actually set this up. And then towards the end of the video, I'm gonna walk you through how to actually set up all the income streams and do it properly if you do decide to go forward at the link below, okay? So first off, let me go ahead and head to a whiteboard. Okay, this is an online whiteboard app, and what I'm gonna do is answer these 4 questions, because anytime I go online and I look for a system to join, I look for an opportunity to run with, I really want to ask myself these different questions. The first one is it working for newbies? Because if new people are not actually getting results with this, then I personally don't want to put my time and effort into it either, because chances are it's not easy, it's not simple. I don't know about you, but I'm not very technical. And so this is the question I ask myself. Now, I did my due diligence and I personally did a ton of research myself, so you don't have to. And I'll tell you this, already we've had people that are brand new start to see results. In fact, one of my friends, Joshua, and I mentioned this in a video I created earlier, he actually was able to generate $2,000, which is in one day the most money he's ever made, okay? So this absolutely works. And that checked off a box in my mind. Now the next question, and this is a big one, is it easy to duplicate and is it simple? Okay, so when you go to join a system, you want to make sure that it's duplicatable, meaning if you join, you can get results, but also if other people join through your affiliate link, they're able to just copy and get results too, okay? You don't want to have to help people, with tons of different steps and different questions. You want to just probably, if you're watching this, create profits even on autopilot. So you want this to be duplicatable and very simple. Now, what I love about the Profits Passport system is that David Dekel, the creator, who's created tons of other successful systems online, he actually put in his #1 traffic source, okay, which you'll find out towards the end of the video, as well as a very simple copy-paste way to swipe and deploy that traffic source and send floods of targeted traffic directly to your affiliate link. So when you go to the link below and you create an account inside of this system, you're gonna get your own affiliate link to promote. And you can just use that duplicatable, simple traffic source and send it directly to that link. And so again, that checked off a box in my mind as well. Now, is there a community built in? See, if you're watching this video, maybe you've struggled to make income online. I know a lot of people online, they struggle because they're surrounded by naysayers and doubters in their daily life, right? People that doubt you, people that tell you, oh, it's too good to be true and all that nonsense, right? So it's very important to join a system that has a community, has at least a Facebook group of a lot of people getting results, inspiring you, keeping you motivated. And the thing I love about the Profits Passport system is they have a full Facebook group where they have tons of people in there. And I checked it earlier today, and already people, newbies, are posting results that they've gotten just plugging into this system, okay? So they do have a community. You'll find out, again, more information at the link below, but definitely powerful. And again, that checked off that box. And then the last really big question I ask myself when I see a system, when I'm reviewing these products and programs, is there a potential to earn big commissions? See, if you want to make money online, let's say your goal is $10,000 a month or more, or even $5,000 a month, or even $1,000 a week, okay? If you can make good high ticket commissions with the system, I look at that system as a very good system. The reason being is it's a lot easier to hit an income goal making one $1,000 sale than 100 $10 sales, okay? So this system, does it have the potential? And yes, the Profits Passport system allows you to earn up to $16,500 per commission. You heard that right, $16,500. So what would just one of those sales do for your life, right? I mean, it's absolutely incredible. So do I recommend this? Yes. Okay, I've been online the last 5 years. I highly recommend, especially if you're watching this and I've posted it somewhat recently. It's ground floor. It just launched recently at the time of recording. I highly recommend you go to the link below. Check this out. There's a webinar, as you'll see in a second. I'm going to break that down. But now what I want to do is walk you through more information on the actual funnel you get access to and the different income streams so you can best set yourself up for fast success. All right, my friend, now I'm on my laptop right now, and on the screen you can see what it's gonna look like when you click that link directly underneath this video. Now, once you click that link, you're gonna get taken to a page that looks something like this. It may be updating the creator, David, who's helped thousands of people all over the world create absolutely incredible results online. He's constantly tweaking this brand new funnel so you can put as much money into your pocket as fast as possible, okay? So what you wanna do is you wanna enter your best email here, okay? Now you wanna put your best email because he's gonna be sending you emails updating you on the best method working today to make as much as $16,500 in commissions on total autopilot. Okay, this is a passive automated system. Now, when you put your email in there, you want to look out for your email inbox. You want to also check your spam folder, okay, because the emails may actually go to your spam folder and you don't want to miss out on any of these emails because this is, again, a complete 100% done for you system. Now, once you put your email in, it's going to take you to something that looks like this. This is the actual system, okay? This is how simple it is. And again, people have already been generating, $4,000, $2,000. Okay, the sky is really the limit with this ground floor brand new system that's just launched very, very recently, okay? Now, this right here is a video, okay? This is a webinar. Now, you want to watch this webinar because you want to learn exactly how this 100% done for you system works, okay? Now, you may want to just rush and set up your income streams and sign up and create your accounts to start earning as much money as possible. It's very tempting, but I urge you to actually pay close attention to this video and watch this entire webinar, okay? He's going to get into some nitty-gritty, incredible things. Now, the next thing to keep in mind is this is going to be your link to promote. So once you create an account inside of this free funnel, you're going to be able to get your link to start promoting to people on Facebook, on YouTube, etc. Okay? He even includes the #1 paid advertising source that he recommends, as well as a swipe to deploy it and start to earn as fast as possible. Now, there's 5 different income streams, and again, you're going to be able to find out more information at the link below. But essentially, income stream #1 is where you can earn up to $2,000 instantly paid commissions. You're not going to have to wait a week or up to 30 days like some of these affiliate programs. When you go to the link below and you get started now, you're going to be able to actually earn $2,000, up to $2,000 instantly paid, okay? And it even gets pass-up sales, okay? So based on when you create an account, how you position yourself inside the business is how you're going to be able to earn, okay? So the level you come in at, you can earn that amount of money and below, okay? So you want to do that. Now, once you create an account inside of Easy One Up, okay, which is the very first income stream, you're going to get an ID, and you're just going to come back to this page, put your ID in, okay, and hit save and update. This is going to save it where when someone goes and creates an account through your link, you will actually get coded, and when they upgrade, when they decide to invest, when they decide to get started at a certain level, you're going to be able to get 100% of that commission. Now, the next income stream is called Funnel X Advanced. Now, this is a pay per lead program, meaning you don't have to generate commissions, you don't have to make a sale. All you have to do is get someone to create an account, and you will earn $1 rather. You will earn $1 for every qualified lead you generate. Okay, and this really starts to add up, and people can even upgrade. Okay, and you can earn as much as $998. This is an incredible program. And again, you want to create your account and put in your ID right here and hit save. Now, income #3 out of the 5 is one of the most profitable traffic sources. Okay, so what you have to understand is when you go and start promoting things online, you need to track where your clicks and sales are coming from. This ROI panel is a tracking software, and it's by far one of the best ones out there today. Now, when you sign up and create an account, you're gonna get access to this tracking software that also has an incredible affiliate program attached to it, okay? So you can actually earn up to $748.50 per commission just with this income stream, okay? So again, where most affiliate programs that you decide to join, most affiliate programs you decide to get started, they actually only have one income stream. The thing I love about the Profit Passport system is it has up to 5 different income streams. Again, you put your affiliate ID here and hit save and update. Income stream number 4, this is where you can actually start making commissions on the #1 traffic source he recommends, which is solo ads. A solo ad is where you can pay someone to send out an email to their email list promoting whatever link you want. Well, what you're gonna do is sign up and create an account inside of Udemy. Udemy is a source where you can find endless solo ad vendors to actually buy from, and you can send people directly to your link, okay? Now this is actually one of the main traffic sources I'm personally using to generate hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in commissions with this very system, okay? You just get your affiliate ID, put it there, and you can start earning with Udemy. And then the last income stream, okay, is very, very powerful, and this is big Bitcoin commissions, okay? So with this, you can literally earn up to $16,500 per commission, okay? And the best part is you can actually get started with $0 out of pocket. So when you sign up and create an account, you can start to go through training videos, learning how to do Bitcoin, how to actually start to make money with investing, and then you're gonna get an ID. When you put your ID there and hit save, now you can start earning, again, up to $16,500. This is absolutely incredible. And then the last thing I want to share with you, when you do, go to that link below, and if you haven't already, be sure you do that, because this is ground floor. Again, you want to jump in. If you've ever been waiting for something, you've ever been researching, watching YouTube videos, going through the grind, trying to find something, but you somehow could never figure out when something's brand new. If you're watching this video, then you need to get into this while it's still ground floor, okay? Now, the traffic checklist, this is basically where he shows you how to find good sellers on Udemy to purchase solo ads, and then he gives you the exact email ad copy, okay? So once you create an account at the link below, you go through the different income streams, you position yourself at the highest level you can. Once you send traffic, it's an incredible chance that you'll also be able to generate income as well. Now, I can't promise due to legality that you're gonna instantly see $4,000 deposited in your bank account. I can't promise that once you go to the link below and you plug in, you're instantly gonna just refresh your screen, feeling that excitement as you smile ear to ear, making a $2,000 commission like Joshua did. I can't promise that, but what I can say is that once you follow the exact same system that myself is doing, that people from all 4 corners of the world are plugging in and doing, there's a great chance you could change your life very, very quickly, okay? So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Again, go to the link below. You'll get taken to this page. Put your best email in. Look out for your spam folder. Look out for those emails. You want to whitelist David's emails so you can follow exactly what he's sharing to get the results that all these people have also been getting. Set up your income stream. Start to send traffic. You can also just post on your Facebook profile. You can post on Twitter, okay? Do whatever you can. Post this link. Get people into your exact funnel and let the funnel do everything else, okay? So thanks so much for watching this Profit Passport review. I'm gonna be making more videos, updates on my results. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And if you have any questions, comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.